മലപ്പുറം ലോക്സഭാ ഉപതെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പ് എൻ.ഡി.എ സ്ഥാനാർത്ഥി എ.പി. അബ്ദുള്ളക്കുട്ടിയുടെയും വള്ളിക്കുന്ന് നിയോജകമണ്ഡലം സ്ഥാനാർത്ഥി പീതാംബരൻ പാലാട്ടിന്റെയും തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പ് പ്രചരണാർത്ഥം വള്ളിക്കുന്ന് മണ്ഡലത്തിലെ കോഹിന്നൂരിൽ കേന്ദ്ര ധനകാര്യമന്ത്രി നിർമ്മല സീതാരാമൻ പൊതുസമ്മേളനത്തിൽ പങ്കെടുത്തു.
Women empowerment, you are in power for two at that time 3 states, Tripura, Kerala, Bengal. They could not even send one woman member to the Rajya Sabha, and the whole world knew what kind of internal fight happened to have Brinda Karat come to the Rajya Sabha. Many of you all will be aware. But when they talk about BJP, they'll say national, this party is anti-liberal, anti-women. I am in this constituency, which is part of Malappuram. This constituency, which is a part of Malappuram Parliament. And I will say here, in more than 50 Islamic countries, in more than 50 Islamic countries, triple talaq was abolished long back. I want Malappuram citizens to listen, hear this. 50 or more countries which are Islamic thought of the welfare of their women, thought of the well-being of Muslim women, and they abolished triple talaq. But UDF, LDF, I am coming to the third principle. I said what? Violence, corruption, appeasement. Just the 3 legs of a stool on which once UDF comes and sits, they go away, another LDF comes and sits. The third, appeasement politics, did not think what 50 or more Muslim countries thought for the welfare of their women. They didn't, because they wanted to just make sure they kept them in calm. The men of the community would come and say, no, you don't do this, okay, we won't do this, block vote hame de do. So we didn't think of the women there. Even Muslim countries have done it, but we don't want to do it because vote bank, vote bank, vote bank. It took a Supreme Court verdict. It took a government like the one which is led by Prime Minister Modi, saying, I don't differentiate between women of one community or women of another community. All women should have their right given properly, well into their structure. Nobody is disrupting the structure here. But if Muslim countries can give it, why not us? And our court tells it, why not us? That's where the cowardice of these two, LDF and UDF, did not want to touch it because appeasement politics. They were scared. To do justice, they were scared. But BJP does not play appeasement politics. Court came with a verdict, we followed it, we gave that judgment, and we followed the judgment and gave triple talaq. Malappuram people, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, whoever, kindly note how the misleading informations are. How misleading are the UDF and LDF? Why couldn't they do it? Is this not giving justice for Muslim women? That is what Modi did. So, equally, the 3, violence, corruption and appeasement, will keep playing. Sometimes more violence, sometimes less violence. Sometimes more corruption, sometimes less corruption. Just imagine, if in any other state, BJP ruled state, for example, Chief Minister's office, there is a question mark. Corruption, not just local but international, smuggling gold coming from somewhere. You don't want to answer, you want to question the investigating agencies. There is a minister who is also probably contesting somewhere in Malappuram, who is also accused of huge corruption, severe charges. I'm not taking his name, but you know, you belong to this district. If in any other state, any other ruling party, BJP or non-left parties, no one would have kept quiet. But look at the silence in Kerala. UDF is happy, it's all right. Maybe the solar scam will come back to me, so I will not raise it. Minister, now contesting from this district, should you not reject him totally? Outrageous allegation of corruption. Another minister, not in this district, but who had the courage only to lathi charge Sabarimala protesting women. Right? Am I speaking right? Today he is what? Doing what? Tapas. He is repenting. Hare Baba, Ayyappa, Shama karo. I did mistake. Am I right? He is the mantri for protecting the temples. He was endowment minister. Endowment minister. Bhakti irukana Swami mele. Swami பார்க்கிறதுக்கு போற பக்தன அடி. இவன் endowment minister-ஆ? Endowment minister-ஆ? இன்னைக்கு தபஸ் பண்ண 500 வருஷம் தபஸ் பண்ணுவோம், பாபம் போகாது. ஐயப்பனுடைய பக்தனை நீ அடிக்கிற அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஹிந்து மினிஸ்டர் நான் பார்த்திருக்கேன். எனக்கு கண்ண தண்ணி வரும். ஐயப்பன் தர்ஷனுக்கு ஸ்டேட் எல்லா ஸ்டேட்ல இருந்தும் வரா, இருமூடி தலையில வச்சு. இங்க என்டோமெண்ட் மினிஸ்டரே அடிக்கிறான் பக்தி விமன, பெண்குட்டிகளை அடிக்கிற கடக்கம் பள்ளி. என்ன பாபம், 7 ஜென்ம பாபம். அது பூர்வ ஜென்ம பாபம் இருந்ததுனாலதான் இதுவும் பண்ணிருக்க. All of us carry some bank balance from previous janma and we'll go to the next janma with some carry forward. இதுதான் நடக்கிறது கேரளால. So violence, corruption, appeasement க்கு example, day to day example இருக்கு. கேரளாக்கு இதுல இருந்து விமுக்தி கிடைக்கணும். Kerala should have mukti from these kind of match fixing people. You cannot afford Kerala to struggle like this. And what is it that we are promising? The candidates here are promising. நாங்க என்ன சொல்றோம்? FAST. Prime Minister in a speech said it. Probably the last time he came, sometime in February. What is FAST? Kerala should have a fast growth. Fast. Adoda meaning faster, speed growth. Yes. But what is fast? Kerala's economy depends on fisheries. F. Kerala has the capacity to produce fertilizers. We should allow Kerala have enough resources for both fishermen, fishing community, for the fisheries, both inland and intersea fisheries, and fertilizer growth. Next is A. Both agriculture and Ayurveda are brilliant in Kerala. You grow wonderful spices. You have rubber. You have plantations. Agriculture and Ayurveda must be developed in the state. Next comes S. Kerala women, Kerala men are so skilled. We need to give more skill to them so that they can move faster towards building up their own business or contributing to startups. There's so much scope. And more important in Kerala, very much in Kerala important, social justice. So F, fisheries and fertilizer. A, agriculture and Ayurveda. S, skill and social justice. LDF and UDF have their own upper class cliques. You look at the BJP, look at states where BJP is in power. It gives opportunities for Dalits, it gives opportunity for BC, it gives opportunities for all downtrodden classes. But not here in LDF or UDF. They are back again with their own cliques within the LDF, cliques within the UDF. Others cannot prosper. And the last in that fast is T. F-A-S-T. What is the T for? We promised that. T is for tourism and T is for technology. Young men and women of Kerala are so good with technology. They are contributing everywhere. I can take the name. Baiju stands out. So improve technology, give better facility, that will itself create more and more tourism. And it can have other fallout also, medical tourism, so many things can happen. So our promise to Kerala is fast developing Kerala, and the fast is this fast, and also it is the fast as in speed fast. This is not what is that word that they use? Manifesto? LDF is Warappa. Warappu is a list of what they have not fulfilled. Promise, Warappu. Ana namakku verippu. Innum sollanuna aruverippu. You feel sick. Promise which is unfulfilled, and you have another Warappu coming. Another Warappu. Manasila konjam karune irunda Warappu varuma. Apology varum. Shamapana kettu varum note. Sorry, 5 வருஷத்துல பண்ண முடியல. மன்னிச்சிரு. Shama. No, Warappu. நமக்கு வெறுப்பு, நமக்கு அருவருப்பு, நம்மளுக்கு வேண்டாம் Warappu. We should reject the LDF. இத்தனை நடந்திருக்கு, UDF ஒரு வாய்ஸ் இல்லை. கேரளால opponents, பெங்கால்ல friends. என்ன politics இது? Politics of convenience? Politics because you're thirsty for power? Politics because when you come to power, don't investigate me. When I come to power, I won't investigate you. Both of us will investigate Bhadrakali. Convenience. So UDF will not raise a voice against the violence, against the corruption, against the appeasement of LDF. LDF will never do that when they are in power. This is spoiling Kerala. This is affecting Kerala. This is making Kerala the land's land of the God, the land of violence. Today Kerala has been repeatedly shamed because of these violences.
BJP വള്ളിക്കുന്ന് മണ്ഡലം പ്രസിഡന്റ് മനോജ് മണ്ണിൽ, മലപ്പുറം ജില്ലാ പ്രസിഡന്റ് രവി തേലത്ത്, ദേശീയ സമിതി അംഗങ്ങളായ PT അലിഹാജി, C വാസുദേവൻ തുടങ്ങിയവർ പരിപാടികൾക്ക് നേതൃത്വം നൽകി. മലയാളം ടെലിവിഷൻ, മലപ്പുറം.
The first touch of love. തെയ്യം പാട്ടിൽ ജ്വല്ലറി, തിരൂർ, കോട്ടയ്ക്കൽ, പുത്തനത്താണി.